Dad's in the deer pond and it's gun season right now. Yesterday we seen a little buck and some does. And then this morning we skipped and went and ate breakfast and we had a really big buck show up. So we're gonna try to get him this evening. And we'll see what happens. So I'll pick you guys up if we see any deer. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the first deer we've seen tonight on our hunt. This little 3-pointer spike. And he's just eating up on some corn as it snows because it's cold out. And I think a bird is attacking him too. That's the 10. I think so. Whatever it is, I can shoot him. Can I shoot him? Yeah. If you're ready. So, shoot out again, go again. Go again. Give that a shot. Oh my god, he's still, put your safety on. He's still up on his feet. See? I think so. Come on, no. He's down, but I'm not sure. I can see him moving, rolling around. But we're gonna give him a few minutes because he might have got. Right, but you need to shoot, you can. Walking up slowly. Second. That hole.
Yeah, that's a 10. Put your gun on safety for sure. Make sure he's on safety. That's your 10 you was after.
Nice deer.
That's your 10. That's the one you said you wanted. He's not as heavy as your other 10, but he's a 10.
Yeah, I'm still happy.
He's nice. Yeah. That's the one you wanted. Good job, bro.
Let's go.
You didn't do anything with you.
Yeah, that's my deer, guys. My second buck in the race. And it's my second 10. Because my first buck was a 10 and this is a 10.
Some glands. Got glands.
He's been coming on our tent a bunch, guys.
Get black glands on.
And every time we weren't in the stand, he'd show up. And then today we called him in. And it just snowed. So, yeah. Like the 4th day of rifle season, we got him.